Hey everyone, welcome back to the Channel AI Motion Studio. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI image editing with Diffusers Image Fill. This powerful AI tool is based on using diffusers to erase parts of an image and seamlessly fill them with new content based on the context. Whether you're touching up a photo or creating something entirely new, this AI-driven approach simplifies the process. I'll walk you through the Pinokio installation and show you how to get started with this amazing tool. Before we dive into the installation, let's try out the Diffusers Image Fill tool directly on Hugging Face for free. Keep in mind, though, there are limitations. On the Hugging Face site, you can only work with images that have an aspect ratio of 512 by 512 pixels. So let's upload an image that fits those dimensions and see how the tool performs. First, we click to upload an image, then use the Draw tool to highlight the area we want to erase. For this example, I'll select the logo on the jersey and click the Generate button. As you can see, the logo is completely removed. Next, let's try a more complex image. We upload the image again, highlight the pink triangular cones, and hit Generate. Voila, the cones are gone as well. To download the edited image, simply click the download button right here. Now let's move on to the installation process. First, head over to the Pinokio homepage at pinokio.computer and download the software. Once it's downloaded, install Pinokio and open it on your computer. I won't show the installation here since I have already done that on our previous videos. Now we open Pinokio and click the Discover button, browse the tools, and find Diffusers Image Fill. We click it, hit the Download button, and then Install. This will download all the necessary models and extensions, so no extra setup is needed. This will take a while, you have to be patient, but I will speed things up to save time. After installation, click Pop Out to open the Diffusers Image Fill UI in your browser. Now let's upload an image. We'll use the one from the thumbnail of our last video. In this example, I want to remove the text and the line across her face. We'll use the Draw tool to highlight the areas we want to erase, then click the Generate button. Since this is our first time running it locally, we'll have to wait a bit for the additional models and files to download. As you can see, the text and the line are completely gone. Also, unlike Hugging Face, you can upload images of any aspect ratio here, which is a great feature. Now, let's upload another image with a complex background. I'll use a Vogue magazine cover I downloaded from Google. As you can see, it's filled with text. Using the Draw tool, I'll highlight all the text and click Generate to erase it. Awesome! All the text is gone. Here's a tip. For the best results, always upscale your edited images. First, download the image and open ComfyUI to upscale using our Flux Upscaler. If you need this workflow, watch our last tutorial to down layout the workflow. Now the image is upscaled, the quality is incredible, perfect for posting on Instagram. And that's a full walkthrough of Diffusers Image Fill. If you want more tips or the Upscaler workflow, check out the next video in the end screen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.